Here is the menu of the machine. There's three functions on the machine: cryo, captation, and the RF. First one is cryo. The second one is the captation system. The third one is the RF system. Let's check the first one. The first one is, here is the menu. And this cryo 1, 2, 3, 4 is control the flow handles. Here's the timer setting. The timer setting we stop at the 13 minutes. Here is the suction, release, and the temperature. For the suction, we start at the 0.5, release at the 0.2, and the temperature is the actual temperature. Here's the sampling temperature. We set at the -6, and here's the timer setting. We set at the 13 minutes. For this system, there are 4 handles. Handle 1 and handle 2 can work at the same time. Handle 3 and handle 4 can work at the same time. Let's have a check. The first one is time setting. The second one is the temperature setting. The third one is for the suction. The fourth one is for the release. The second system is captation system. There is the 3-mode selection on the captation system: A, B, C mode, and the implicit setting. The maximum is at 10. We start from 3 or 4, and the timer setting at the 15 minutes. The last one is RF system. It's also ABC mode selection. Maximum intensity is at 20. The propulsor energy will set at 6 or 5. The timer setting at the 30 minutes.